We are now being joined by Union Minister Smriti Zubin Irani. Ma'am, first of all, thanks for speaking to India today. Ma'am, the agitation of farmers is continuing, and in bitter cold, farmers are sitting on dharna in many areas on Delhi borders. The farmers are accusing the Modi government of being insensitive towards them.
There are crores of farmers across the country who have benefited from the reforms that have been espoused under the bills that you speak of. It is the democratic right of every Indian citizen to agitate on any issue that they deem fit. But let me highlight some issues which have come to the fore after the coverage by your channel also of all these Andolankaris. There are many amongst them who are sitting there chanting death to Modi. Is that a part of our democratic right to want the Prime Minister of this country dead? There are many amongst them who have fought elections against the BJP on the Congress ticket and on the Aam Aadmi Party ticket. Today they front themselves as farm leaders. Is the hypocrisy not evident to you?
So you feel
There
that
are many who are coming from across the country in support of the farm bills, in support of the agriculture minister. Are you of the opinion that those farmers don't matter?
so you feel that this movement of the farmers has been hijacked by certain vested interests?
You tell me, sir. Since when is political prisoners an issue in this country? Since when are those who are being accused of creating riots in Delhi part of the farm movement? You tell me.
Right. But ma'am, there are many farmer leaders who are saying that yes, there could be certain elements who may have, infiltrated into this movement, but this movement is of the farmers and they want the government to roll back the new farm laws.
What should be rolled back? The right to protection of a farmer's land? This law ensures that the farmer's land cannot be sold, cannot be mortgaged. That protection of farmers should be withdrawn. Is that your position? This particular bill ensures that farmers are to be paid in 72 hours. It's never happened before in the history of our country that a law gives that kind of protection to a simple farmer. Are you of the opinion that that protection from the farmer should be rolled back? Absolutely not. You yourself as a channel have covered incidences where farmers after the passage of this bill have gone up to people who owe them money and invoking this very clause of payment in 72 hours have received their payments, and these are the same people who were running from pillar to post.
Ma'am, many rounds of talks have taken place between the government and the agitating farmer leaders, but no solution is in sight. Do you think that that there is possibility of any solution through talks?
Do the political leaders who have hijacked the farmers' cause want a solution? It is leaders such as Arvind Kejriwal who are sitting on a dharna in Delhi, blocking traffic of Delhi citizens. Isn't he answerable to the citizens of Delhi?
So you feel he's playing politics over the issue of farmers?
Haven't you seen? Should the Chief Minister of Delhi sit there and hijack an issue after notifying the farm laws himself? Isn't the duplicity and the dichotomy evident to you? Should he be causing inconvenience to Delhi citizens? Amrinder Singh Ji was very much a part of the high-powered committee of chief ministers where he made the same recommendations that are now a part of the bill. Isn't that hypocrisy evident to you?
Right. Ma'am, government has offered certain amendments to the new laws, but the farmer leaders are adamant that these laws should be rolled back. So what will be the solution of this entire crisis?
I think that it's very, very clear that farm laws which protect the rights of farmers and citizens across the country cannot be used as a political tool by those who have lost elections in front of the BJP to harass citizens across the nation. Protection that has been given under the law to farmers across the country cannot be withdrawn.
Ma'am, do you feel that there are certain radical Khalistani elements who are also taking advantage of this entire situation?
I can only say this much, that no Indian citizen can ask for the death of a constitutionally elected Prime Minister. I am ashamed today that citizens witness the Chief Minister of Delhi and the Chief Minister of Punjab supporting people who call for death to Modi. Should they not answer about these elements who are chanting death to Modi?
So you feel that there are certain Khalistani elements who are taking advantage of the situation?
Categorically said, should Amrinder Singh Ji and Arvind Kejriwal not answer about those people who stand before them and ask for Modi to be put to death? That is my question to you.
So you are ruling out the possibility of rolling back of these new farm laws?
Hasn't the agriculture minister made his stand clear? Thank you.
Thanks for speaking to India Today. So that was Union Minister Smriti Zubin Irani speaking exclusively to India Today, and she has made it clear that certain political parties are playing politics over the issue of farmers. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.